What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So right now, my people, the Lion Man and Jabass get corrupt like what? Jabass show some receipt where him have on TikTok police, and I say, yo, when him propose to Annie, which him propose already, so anytime now, Jabass are gonna release the message them, and him even show the Lion Man. Them say nothing like that and that feed them watch. So them now make Annie lock in with him. Jabass say man make sure say him put on the ring and then him bust out the secret so that Annie can take off the ring and dash away. So my people, we are gonna get in at that also. We are gonna show you the proposal and all these things. See, cheese, you know, my people. Remember, cheese a war with a woman, a man with him called mother. Cheese a war with she. See, and one are picnic them. You know what I mean? You don't know mother picnic, whatever. All of them are swim around. But him get released what day from lockup, and him and cheese at it right now. So me I go share cheese I done him in the wickedest way. You so me I say also my people we have Rosalie and our social media man same way. You know what I mean? I make them plans and something. Share look at that with Uno. Willie a ball to COVID and you know my people about Diamond situation. Like him see what go on with Diamond and figure it out and get jealous and bad mind and corrupt right now. You see what I say? Also my people, the youth when him Trish where them say analyze himself, people from in the area I say them no know of nothing like that. So we are gonna get in it and hear what the people them have to say. Maybe have more things. So make we get in it my people. If there's anything else what me left out, if there's anything on my left out, we're gonna see it in the video and also maybe add more things as we go on. So make we get in it.
Is
Monica can't tap ball now.
invite Monica for me, please. So Monica there, you see a barn at Greenwich Farm.
Down there, me born and grow.
So
Me used to, my mother used to live at same place as 6th Street where them say, cause even my brother,
Yeah,
the,
can
same-
Morning sunshine, a family.
the post on Facebook,
Yeah, one of
my
the
brother send it to me.
Yeah.
Cause my brother all we live in a same house down there we come from, and my brother send the post to me. And me reach out and me ask and me still not hear nothing.
All right, Candy, go ahead. Let me hear what Candy to us say. Cause she said down there she live. Candy.
He come from farm. I'm live at Olympic right now. I'm not here now. My sister live down there. Nobody know here now.
Exactly. Cause me reach out to people down there, I not hear nothing. So me
Sunshine,
not
the
know.
first red flag, you know, come me get the first red flag. So the mother did attack.
Mm-hmm.
The mother say she take long for reach down
I
and she
really
belong.
found
She see
that
the boy. She see the boy in the yard and the
Sunshine.
man in
Nobody
the
does see
yard.
that man love people business. They say that man if you up 4 o'clock in the morning, people that know.
People up. Cause remember said down there say gas sell and then something there, you know. So be careful.
But
They say British farm people don't
see,
see you.
you sit down where the gas sell off
Them the
5th
people that
Street.
see bush part down.
A 5th
Them
Street
ever
me
gamble
live
on it.
when we are moved from down there. Me know the whole of down there so.
So
We
no
used to live
call.
at 6th Street.
When you certify so no come from down there, no call and nothing no go so.
Me not hear nobody no confirm all now.
Yeah. He come from 8th Street, but me here say him come from. Hello, me here say him come from no Marcus Garvey tell me so. Down them the place they not sleep. Them ever gamble down that.
Yeah, cause down at the bottom there so
Girl,
me
when
come
you down at
from.
Jamaica, me I telling you something, me telling Pi Live last night. I usually go down there go buy gas. I usually go down there go buy gas. So when them say about you in a bush.
Where you go down on Norman?
Start the Greenwich Farm bush there and go to the train line, me know about
Down on Norman you go?
Yeah, me go down there go buy gas so me live at
Yeah. Alright, and right off the right off 5th Street corner there. So me know. Me used to live at 5th Street right down there.
Nobody can come up to condemn a foolishness. Greenwich Farm is a ghetto and Greenwich Farm don't sleep.
No.
People always
Just the
out the
sunshine.
road.
Nobody know you about it.
Alright.
Me no hear
Then the people
nothing.
that sleep.
Twinkle, you see confirmation come.
I'ma tell you, say my brother send the
And if
post
we
to me
stop them
off of
something there.
Facebook and him not say nobody not confirm to him all now. And usually when we talk, would I say, you know, say a sunshine, me talk to sunshine and she say rain.
Is come here, girl. See people
Yeah,
from
son.
Greenwich Farm there cheese. Well, as me say, Me just know say something done right.
Yeah, me I see it
Because
on
me
here.
here in the sunshine, me I
Me I
say,
say
Pleasant good morning to
it
one and all.
mysterious.
Morning.
She's me
Yes,
like
sunshine, me I
sir.
say,
Me
if you
never
go
run
so,
from day one. You think say me an idiot?
sunshine,
Eh?
which part in come from? Them gamble till 5
Me
o'clock
not
a
don't talk
morning.
to you.
I'm ask about you and
Me
they say,
don't talk
Marcus
to you. Me know
Johnson.
6th Street.
And they say, them the people that gamble till morning. Say,
Don't
they say,
talk to
nobody
you.
knows.
Yeah,
Listen
me
to me
know
now.
me
Me
used
have
to
the
live
man
on
number
6th
here,
Street, so me
now.
know people at 6th Street. And me ask somebody pan 6th Street and them still not
What's the
confirm
cheese?
nothing.
Me
Eh?
ask cheese something. I know so cheese. Them with that wicked so cheese.
What you mean them a batty man? A batty man. What you mean if them with a wicked so? Me not look for you now tell say them are wicked. Them will do anything for money. The love of money is dangerous.
Box cover. Lord Jesus. Dari,
Hello.
you know see
Hi.
you do that.
What me
Derek,
I do
come
that
here.
for?
Derek, come here. No, sir. Me not put Derek in this. You have some
Ask me
people with
question.
class. You get me? Derek, talk the truth. Me not come from long time. Come say me not believe.
Long time. But me I tell you something I believe that Jamaica will come from. No matter which part of Jamaica you come from. Once police left on scene, how did they?
And a phone have to catch something.
But men in Jamaica say a Greenwich farm she come from and Candy just say she come from Greenwich farm and she called down there and then
So
said
it can
nothing
be
like
gone.
that. Then said nothing
Sunshine the
like
way,
that.
sunshine the way me full of pride, my love. But me I come here to
Maybe.
but me I do that, yeah,
I'm
man.
making
But
Jamaica
cheese,
cheese. I said nothing like that.
but cheese,
And then
Yo,
you know we Jamaican, if we hear one gunshot up the road,
we are
they
run
must say we
go
dey run
outside.
towards the, we dey run
We
towards the
running
gunshot.
towards the bullet.
cheese. When I hear murder down at Jamaica, I hear a crowd of people ball for murder. What we do? We not run gun and no chat.
Straight out there we are run go sunshine. Come on.
Sure.
We no hear
It makes
that.
sense, Joe.
Me would hear already.
But
Cause
Trish, you know say you're
nothing down
wicked
there
for
and me
this.
get phone call
You're
or me get
wicked for this.
picture
Me not
and
tell
we
no
know and
lie.
confirm. Me not
But
hear
you know
nothing.
the only reason I
Yeah,
believe.
Everybody come and see a river
Hold on,
it
guys.
happen.
I'm gonna code it up because me just get one restriction, so I'm gonna code it up.
Let's see if
One
I'm
at
saying
a
up
time,
to
one at a time.
sunshine and
Me
go be
write
worth
the
it,
F1 in
whatever.
chat.
Right,
F1 in
F1
the
people,
chat.
F1.
Let's see if it goes on a fake she fake, eh?
What you
Look,
mean?
hope some different country go and they did really work to where you can come back and explain yourself.
When you can't explain to we. I feel me call Monica cry real tears. You're mad.
Sunshine.
No, but man,
Did this thing come on the news? Anyone see it on the news?
Only
so
on the
them say but when I
gleaner.
see it.
Only the gleaner.
So then,
Observe and now have it, me not believe it.
Listen to me now, anybody can correct me know somebody will work at Gleaner. Me
yeah.
can just tell them one story and say, listen to me want this house
Gleaner
and
take up
then
See
anything
somebody
here.
come and say, I know green la river
Anybody
time.
get through?
Riverton, the mother say a Greenwich farm. Cause she live a
see
Riverton.
somebody else, Sunshine, under me.
Oh, I think the guy did
The
just
mother said she live in Riverton and it happened in Greenwich farm. They cannot ramp with we. We
You talk about the dance
we
house.
take things that gather.
Oh no! In the actually attempt to do the visa, but the time did I come down, so him put it for next year. Someone go try. The
Yeah,
time was too short for do the application.
yeah, time that
It
shot.
can't happen in a new events. Them
So not
say,
not doing nobody cannot. They are so confused in talking where it happened. That's the
listen,
reason why you have
exactly.
so
No,
many-
it now make no sense at all.
I know them
Yes.
a say a Riverton and then say at my Greenwich farm. Only two wicked people on top of track.
But
morning,
listen,
everybody.
Sunshine, all me
Morning,
I tell you
baby.
say, if me not see the body, me still not gonna believe it. It me I tell you, remember say no, I not burn the person get burned in our house, say the body burn out, you know. The flame said the body down at the mark down at track.
The people, let me tell you something, man. Yo, me hear somebody they come out the other day. Me even do a video, but me never say that part the in of the video. Say boy, Shana Chin ex-man plan it with him. Fi say him analyze himself and a bag of things. You know what I mean? Cause upon a level people, me I pray if a person a go analyze themselves, why them would do it on live? Although you know them want them different results, them want people have them name a talk about and something still. But upon a level, this whole analyzing thing, me kinda did a pray it away. So nobody can confirm it right now. The mother come out and say whatever and me not think the mother would have come and tell such a lie on social media a certain way. So, you know what I mean? And even them say it come over the news, but me not 100% sure because me never see it. So me can't confirm that. But more I know what other thinking in the comment section, my people, because me don't know what to believe. Me I hear what them people here say, but social media is a big confusion. Me I tell you that. That's why me take everything as entertainment. So let me know what to think, my people. Well, what some more?
Tranquility.
In a very closet.
You understand? So why we the people can't see the body and we see everybody else's body?
A truth.
But why tranquility? We go take up the body and not the police go there?
But
That we
Sunshine,
can
I
understand.
have two things to
Police
add
have
to this.
Process the scene. It's a
Thing to
crime
add to
scene.
it, Sexy Alliance Sunshine. Two things. The body was less than 48 hours, and by yesterday on a weekend, they knew when autopsy is going to be performed. They know who are the pastor, and they know the
money.
cost. And they know the cost of funeral in less
Exactly.
than 48 hours of the person passing
I
away.
thought she got cut so quick, you have to have money in a real
And
life.
That's
Monday
crazy.
week to say boy Monday morning and then get some links. There's no God Almighty way less than 48 hours. Remember when somebody passed, especially in Jamaica, if it is an assumed unaliving of the of self, right? They cannot move that body.
No.
A medical examiner has to
No.
come and declare that
Can't
that
move
was
the body.
whatever before it even can move. So I think that is where all the holes come in
Exactly.
because them never sit and plan the story properly.
Baby, you hear when the girl come last night and she did type in the comment and said she worked down in public and the body have to come there first to pronounce that.
Because
No, but if
you
if a
have to
doctor,
pronounce
listen, friend,
them.
Listen, Sunshine, if a doctor is on the spot, a doctor can pronounce the body too.
But Sunshine.
So then
But
that
nobody
pass
no got
the
the
gap.
to pronounce.
Because it's a doctor pronounce, you know.
Chief,
Nobody
where
can
the
pronounce but a
chief?
doctor.
Where are the cartel?
Then I give them a pass on that. But we the
No
people need to
police, no
see the
come?
body.
No police.
Baby, me I go tell you, me I wait for
That's a
that.
crime
Like them a
scene.
tell me
Like
the number, everything
Yeah,
else,
babe.
so go call the man.
Me
That
have
call
that
the blood
journalist
clot man
number.
now
I
too.
work as observer, but you know, say through a politics time. Me,
Remember, you can send a story into the Gleaner now. You can send any story in because it's on the media, so it will be picked
Right.
up by any media outlet. It doesn't mean they have also confirmed the passing. Them just have pick up with it on the media because it's on the media.
True.
Just
I'm
like
not
any
telling a lie,
TikTok
true,
person that was
Whatever
on
they get, they
alive.
sell.
Any TikTok person that was
swear
on
it
alive,
sells.
you see it pan them news all over them and say, oh, TikToker. That's all it is. So me just want to know, oh, less than 48 hours, they had a pathologist tell them that they're going to get autopsy in 2 weeks.
But when
How they got funeral.
their Jamaica girlfriend, two alone.
no,
One,
one cheese.
the older guy had passed away.
One.
One for the entire Caribbean. It's not even just Jamaica, for the entire Caribbean. So how did you, less than 48 hours on a weekend, pathologist can tell us, say, we're going to do autopsy in 2 weeks. That's not how it works. And like me say, even if she did it to get away, you wanted to get away, but at the end of it, persons are going to come and know there's a, you know how much pay me pass her man in a collect money?
I true, me see them from last night.
There's several
Yeah,
places
no,
collect
say.
money, and that is where
Yeah,
deception comes in because when you cannot tell people so no pathway.
Everybody they call it.
Come here, come here. Yeah, you
Yeah,
see it?
oh,
See, Trisha now, put me in a
Cheers.
big box, Sunshine. Yeah,
Them better
So,
give us
alright,
some of the
remember
money
say she
from
and
now.
Angel
No
play a
one
match,
can
you
do
know.
it.
yeah.
Right? And if it happen for true, why is it that Angel must know there's something wrong? Like she don't want help collect the money. She said, you can contribute to the GoFundMe. Remember I said this money take her as her sister and her
What kind of
motivator, you
GoFundMe
know.
that they make? The madman.
So Angel must know say something off and she don't want to be part of the money worries of it. She just left it right there. So
What's so hard for sure?
Because Angel don't do mix up,
Anita.
so she
Yes,
not gonna do it.
Anita. Just hold on 1 minute, please. Let me respond to what Anita said. Yes, Anita, you can pay for it. It takes money to do that. Just hold on 1 minute, please. Let me respond to what Anita said. Yes, Anita, you can pay for it. It takes money to do that. And they are collecting contribution tools for the burial. So they cannot pay for a pathologic test.
But Sexy Ali, less than 48 hours after somebody pass away, them know already
Why
foolishness.
Go pray to God, I don't know how me couldn't find that a while ago. I already class online and balance it. Dirty blood clot, dead bird. Yeah. serious now. Oh, bet every girl, one girl this you go class up, you know. Who the fuck you think you is? Hear them call me name, and that's why I make me there, so. Batman, you have to sort out your mouth first before you come back, mother. I just the truth. Batman, me say you have to come clean up your blood clot mouth first before you come back, father. You break the backy boy, but they afraid of you. After you know jigsy war. Nobody not afraid of blood clot you. Trees, and you arise the dead boy them. But in a real life, me just I go address it one time and done. Oh, me for rise them, I don't have no whole per weight per my name right now. I just shoot me, I go tell a lie. Them can't get nothing from me more than a shoot up. I shoot up them ends and left them. Shoot me, I shoot up them ends and left them, Shani, in a real life. Them ain't nobody. You see, my name them have to call for get somewhere. Instead the girl them I go quat them so much, what? Why them give him so much strength? What kind of strength? The man nobody. I idiot alone afraid of blood clot them. Me never afraid of them dirty people yet. Me never back from none of them nasty, dirty, gully waste batty man yet. The whole three of them have AIDS. I don't know lie me I tell, make them do a test and beat blood clot me. Cute. If you don't do a test, me top company come call no AIDS blood clot, mommy and papi. No full up of germs, the blood clot in no blood. The blood clot germs don't have in the blood. That's some huge worm we are dangle it do. You know, they just a dance so. You know, will you ever sleep right? Will you ever sleep comfortable? Anyone on ever sleep comfortable? And they can't sleep comfortable. Your mother pretend to come and pretend to the world. The ears have on a weak in on the knees. Exactly. Me clean up that thing. Me see me call him dirt alert. And when you look, invite the all over the place with the blood clot. With one shot to be used and fire upon him. Dirt alert. Remember when you come and me tell you say cocky itch up in your blood clot is like split deal. Come off from my phone, dirt alert. Boom, push up. Remember in a real life, me can't believe say you when they all bout with a lot of talking would I even use that. Don't use dirt alert, cause me shooting in your face with that first. But suck your mother, Batman. I know the first and the last, I mean now make you feel like you're that boy. Cause you ain't that boy, look on all Batman tongue. Guys, look on Batman tongue. Eh? I'll be. Do this and beat me in a real life. You cannot speak to me. I'm comfortable. I'm not in no more house worries. Drunk crow no. Where? Go suck your mother. Don't bring house to me. You need a house to live in right now. How dare you come by me a house and you don't live nowhere? You catch up in a people blood clot setty like dog. You're not getting a bed rest. Right now, Batman, you're not getting no bed rest. So how dare you bring house to me? You can't bring house to me? Eh? You can't bring no farmer house to me because you're not getting no bed rest. Move your blood clot. The people them tired of you in them city. All the dogs who start piss up in your blood clot ears. Batty man. No argument with me.
People, this a youth here. He just get released about a day or two ago, you know. So how him just get released and in a vibes with cheese. Unless, as me say, he might take on the war because the man who them call mother and him must be close. Me don't know if them still close or what. So that are the only thing where me see where me I say maybe I saw it go. You know what I mean? But let me know what to think. Anybody will know why them are cuss, let me know in the comment section.
Really I get one and few boy yeah. Me barely I get one of you where you come but no come for me nasty Batman. You crying, you're ugly in a blood clot, your favorite biting hands. You look like a cute tank cleaner. Right there so. When the tank cleaner them are clean the glass. It had the no come about me dirty nasty mouth boy. Cause all of your man feel like people are afraid of you when you come. Who is you? Who is you? And then you're the man who goes and make the thunder roll. And you are the man we go so yakum I make the lightning blood clot flash. Some for afraid of you. Oh me for afraid of you. I couldn't be afraid of you a pussy bumper blood clot. You're dirty. You stink. You're rotten. Nobody gives a fuck about you if you never call my name Batty man. I won't even acknowledge you. Because when they see all a blood clot, Ivany do our post and go comment on it. Me go find it and delete it now. Yeah, and people all rush me and say, see you not understand yourself. Me go collect on it, comment on it and say that you not understand yourself. You get me? And only if you see you come ramp with me now, so cocky Batman. Actually, funny. We don't want to hear you. Your throat fuck out no blood clot. Oh. You know, come out the road, come here, nobody has said cheese. I candy a blood clot here, them I say, so you combo me for, so cocky boy. Where you combo me for, what I have for you? Where the blood clot me have for you, Batman? Me have something for you? I don't have nothing at all for blood clot, yo. That's why you can't reach nowhere in a life. Because mother should have been do a GoFundMe and a fundraising for you when you return. Because she go as far as make a video and she do go up live and say, people, my daughter go come out, you know. And you know, your blood clot come back and a pin cash up and Zelle. Like you left money out here stinking Batman. You did left money out here? Eh? Who obligated to a Batman with a dirty blood like you if you come take up them hard working money and give? Batman go suck your mother. A whole heap of years in America full time for go look at work now. Go nyam out your mama. Then you don't catch a degree in there. Stinking Batiana. You don't get a degree in a jail. The 2 years there you waste time. Go away. Go away. You couldn't come kick up the storm out here because you don't come with nothing new. What you come with new for us? In dirty nasty Batman. I just ask a question. What did you come new for the crowd? Because nobody I work with nothing at all what you say right now. You still like the biscuit them when Miss Ivy have in her blood clot shop. Still out. What the fuck do you? Where you come with? You not come one. You're not even staying in jail. I know. Say, all right, then me I go now. And my time now. Come here, take the road. Cause every day they on phone with people. You know, say you must blood clot now. Who I beat the road? You know. Me hear you call Candy name. You call my name and Rosealee name. One for Rose, don't make Rose chop up your blood clot. Fine. And put you in a one bag. Make you swell up and stink and pop. Wanna come on see which girl right now in a real life. Which girl you can take on and win? Which one? Which one, Dirty Batiana? Move around, done. Move around, done. Can you send a girl for move around? They must spin fast, no blood clot like the earth. Yeah. So where you said that done with? And most Shibada him can come for. Most Shibada, the only person that mistake can come for. I know me not see him bad up no crime with you. And Shibada you go come for your weak blood clot spot that. But you did have to go there so first. Then you got Candy. Then you start shoot around the place. You're not smart. You no blood clot smart. But you come for blood clot she. No come for me. No come for me because me never send for blood clot. You wanna fire me a spit over here so. Fire! Bright and ugly no blood clot. More think no pussy clot. Come full up your top lip no bumbo clot. And you want to stop with me? And you want to stop with me? Guys, him dep on live attack with Dirty Batman Blandy. Remember me hate Blandy them, you know. Cause Blandy them come create a scene where it never did for happen, you know. I mean, I ignore this dirty nasty bad blood Batman, you know. I know when you look at Quincy, I just come out of jail. You should have picked your struggles them wisely. You come in a problem with some people with them name they've not call again, which is me, I'm afraid for some of but fall down. Me Trizzy Blood, they fall down. So you combo blood clot me for Candy in the hot spot. Go for Candy them. So you come for me about cheese and no girl. Father, you suck with no blood clot.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We're going to move on to the next. I'll watch some more of this and then move on to the next.
mother is a victim. Come here. Who in a real life can afraid of them a dirty dog a dump ya? Eh? Me, for afraid of them a shit in a plate ya. You're mad the blood clot and me have the real pussy. And me have the real pussy. None of uno man. No dear man. Don't call my name. Come in a member uno. These are my words. When you come for me, go for some blood clot medication. You go pick up your blood clot medication them. You come out of jail, you did go pick up your medication them. And your medication them is supposed to pick up. Oh, you come by me, you come by blood clot me. Oh, your mother stink no blood clot.
Then all of a sudden I see this. Then I found out.
You know, make up my money for sending her to live a gift.
They don't give me no over. They don't want me to buy a blood clot those gift.
It's about how much we give.
Give me what you can, man. I'll put the rest on.
William, I see me do video for you.
What?
Me rascal. Viral.
Where do video for good?
We viral. Me build one song for you.
We can't hear a song, Goody.
Eh?
We can't hear a song.
Of course. The sun is shining on you. The moon is...
Go on. Go on. I ain't a song for him. Cross is good. I know you're stinking dirty song. That the song they don't pass your mouth. Nobody never see you start nasty song. That the song they good enough pass you front your mouth. Tell someone you look stinking dirty song good. But you wanna make song for me? Your song never pass your lip a pussy clear. I don't want your song good because your song not pass your big lip.
Why would you leave me with your careless friend?
Keep going. Now you over there boy you want to hear song. Tell them want to hear song. Boy you come and make song for me. Let me tell you some more song.
So how much you need to send the gift? And what kind of gift they sending? So we can see if we can put up a cash app.
Listen, Carrie, you give them when me hear them very expensive, you know? So me have to go try to see me can break a record.
Where them I get from our new man, guys?
Gucci, Fendi, Louis V, Dior.
Guys, what them I get from our ex-man?
No, it will come up to about
Gucci slide. You get fucked. You get fucked. Pack it up, pack it up. You're not about you just stand a chance. Oh God! Valentina sneakers. Listen to me, Willie. Oh God! Whoa! Me pussy. No, you don't stand a chance, Papa. You don't. Yeah, Valentina say, oh God. Me think I like a rose. You get fucked. 30 grand lunch money. Really? You fuck up. Teddy bear with rose. Maybe I try to help you. I think we could have make up $100. I think so we could have make up $100. You know?
if you say me get him we do something for you, she don't accept if you just know say me I try to see him, you see me?
But you get long to try, so you have to come good. Then say make a one your pass, you know why you. Try one.
Yeah, your front is shot, boy, you know boy, your front is blood clot shot over there. Boy, you know the front over there. Me tell you say boy, you know the front over there. Me after now on the phone blood clot. One not go about the business. Come out of my life.
Then say you can buy coach slides.
Coach can't go against my brand the Cavi.
Where there?
Coach, people just don't know about coach.
Where there? Don't put it at where you can't reach it.
And that me I try to tell my sister, that me there, I tell her to see me. You see me? Just to show say yo, at least read it and say yo, it will make a little difference on any type of way. But you know, she stay, she go say yo, really you can't check me.
William. Guys, how to do it, Willie? Willie, I read.
It's rough. It's rough. It's rough.
What did I read, chat? I'm going to go walk with Grace.
She love you, she happy. I saw my feet too. I know she love me, so I know she go accept it.
Them say if you sit down and take notes. Right now, they are number 1 and number 2 in Jamaica. People they never like you and her together. They like them together.
No, me love it too.
You lose it, you lose.
Yeah.
Figure it out, woman. 1 and 2. 500K, 500K. Cross the board. And night no come yet. I mean not even reach top 30. We not keep really. You definitely not keep. What? A joke. You read house, you know? You have to go find a new woman. You have to go find a woman and come out strong and do the right thing.
So hold on there. A thief really want to go thief. We go take the diamond from that the man there. Make diamond stay away there, Willie. You see me I say, you know the song we are playing, you know? Never know the use of art till we lose. And that the song they are playing, you know? You see me, you get your chance and you mash it up. You know what I mean? Move on, youth.
Oh God, Willie, Lord have mercy. Willie, I don't make me more. I can't go on so.
I joke to you I did to me and my sister.
Part up roses. Take long to know you want woman do there. Part up roses, shot.
Well, you get me a chance at least me there, I know. I say me a try never too old for learn, don't it? And I lie.
You're definitely too old for this time.
I never go through the thing I used to in my life at that time.
How do you walk on?
I'm in love with a girl, Kavi. I'm a rate her and respect her. So you know, say it I go there. Kavi, come on. Come on, Kavi. See, think if you just sit down over here and comfortable with it and feel like, say, yo, yeah, make it just go like that. Come on, Kavi.
So what you going to do? Ball?
Kavi, I can't cry. Kavi, I can't sleep. I can't consume, Kavi. May I tell you? Kavi, I never feel this way.
What you eat?
No consume no food from when time when, Kavi, may I tell you?
Probably should we take your back because she say you eat it buff.
Them vibes, I'm trying to show you, know. You see me try to you come over here, say you want to try to add on for my blood clot stress and any type of way.
Yeah, but say
You come try to add on for my stress and any type of way. That's the only thing you can do and come up with any type of way. You're going to say something nicer.
I first tell us if you buy a present, but you can't afford it.
So, one sister, when you try to give me the first percentage, I say me can come out with something.
Valentina and blood clot Gucci. Where forget you from?
At least that we may get a one.
School.
That we may get at least that we may get a one Uber for go on the man.
Go thief.
How did it work? Jeez.
My blood clot. 30 grand for gas. No man never give me 30 grand for gas yet.
Gabi. Get the business right, at least that can be a Uber fee. Go for the bar, lower yourself.
You there a big Uber fee and then I get 30 grand for gas.
I want to me, I go for the mall to see me, I want to you. You see price but the price of things like that, like go to store the Louis the bad type of way. I want to your coffee. Let me go there and get the bill of coffee. You can't know if I buy the best or not.
And Van Cleef?
Van Cleef? Eh? Hermes?
You don't stand a chance, you know. But no, you don't stand a chance. And only if your hood big, probably we stand a chance. if your hood did make sense, we are going to know now. Because hood may make you figure out to present them. If you fuck with sweet, and the only way that can save you. How do you think, Church?
Me stand 300% chance then.
Me not think so. Me not think so. The woman didn't answer, so I fuck me attack. Yes, I know me there.
For sure she have a comeback. Is it for sure she have a comeback?
Oh, she look big body. Oh, she like. But him like, we don't know if he more big. I don't know. Self-praise and a recommendation. Never hear them come say that. My brother I joke me, okay?
You know somebody blood clot like you.
Guys, I'm not gonna give more money gone. Guys, I'm not gonna recharge and come guys. Everybody big up on yourself.
Everyone a bum buckle and turn at the same thing.
Come man.
Jeez, everyone me turn at the same thing. Jesus Christ, man. Oh God. You see, everybody has say, yo, fight for your woman who love to see and I together.
I lie them a blood clot.
Everybody over here, so, guys.
Never hear nobody say they love see and them together.
Come fight for your woman. Love see you two together. No joke.
I never hear nobody say them the wickedness they yet.
Watch me talk. I gotta calm down now.
Guys, I'm gonna go over there to tell me where they say over there.
No calm
Well,
down.
thank you. Triple chat. Dinner date Friday? Me know say she done with him, but me just, I'm a little brother, so me just try give him little. The man reach number 1 and number 2 on the podium. That me tell him, baby. Me ain't nobody rich, but then number 1 and number 2.
Yes, dinner date, more gifts.
I'm here over here and I get done. It's stress out. Oh God, really stress out. Guys, I'm gonna push up my square. Don't make my square look like Willie one, guys. Guys, I'm gonna push up my square. Don't make my square look like Willie one shot.
This man, rest with the bag, give them, man. Every day, give. I don't even Christmas yet. Bumbuck that. Yeah, let's come back, give my pay, give. Every day, give. Rest, man. Bumber ass.
Man, the girl them want soft life and tough cocky.
I don't even black that.
Girl, they want soft life and tough cocky. They don't want tough cocky and strength.
Lower no, man. No blood clot, I know, man.
Yeah, they want soft life and tough cocky. Willie, nobody know what stress and bone and stress. But there.
I use everything I use. Alright, that's why we have 2 nice plates. Put the glass and the wine on the table. Wash them first. Oh. Guys, I'm so cold.
People, want to tell me if you feel like say the relationship you with Annie and this a youth you are gonna work out because me still have my doubts, when it come to this relationship, my people. Believe me. Me feel like say Lando is a better pick when it come to a relationship for Annie. I should just find a new man. You know what I mean? Because this a youth yeah, him out of the bad. You see me I say and him nah ease up once everything gets so a certain way. You understand? You know some man that make woman talk and whatever, him make sure say him a talk and him a bring you down. You see me I say? But once it good, cause me see him do good things. You know what I mean? See him way so me no wanna think.
I have food. The market near us. I used to let me come down here and I don't want to walk with no market.
I really love this, honestly. Yeah. What? You know you're rude. You're rude, father. You're rude. You know something? Gotcha. Like no panty. Sorry. And keep on a safe at him Jabass attack. Who?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah, just talk to him, no babe. Talk to Jabass, babe. No, just talk to him until so when you finish. Don't hang up on him.
You talk to him. When you say no, when him say him, I'm gonna say him by the baby. When him say him, I can't talk. You tell him say, right.
Hey girl, you looking lovely.
Thank you.
So how now left me out of this?
No, we not left you. This is because we have like dinner.
Oh no, if you left me out, man, because I want to should have pray over the food before you eat it.
Oh, me not left you out though. No way.
And you could make one of we be pasta or something.
We be pasta we do a pray over the food.
Yeah, boy, I not like you look nice and the whole setting's just nice. I not like Annie, you go and good.
Annie,
Look,
Annie, not going away. Look.
And I not like you look good. You trust me, I deserve this girl. Wine and all these things, red wine.
Cheers to you, Jabass.
Yeah.
Annie. Ifak. A box food in a plate. Don't make it tricky.
Oh, please, I look a shithead. He's look with a box him in the neck back when we catch him, you know.
The boy that drunk.
He just like Jagger. You know different from Jagger when you No, seriously, when we look at him, Mr. Jagger.
Oh, God.
You know, come back over here.
He say sorry man, put him back man. He not do it again. Me and see one day I look close man. We have to do it so far.
I'm sorry.
Again, man.
I'm sorry. I'm not gonna do it again.
Please. See it there. Accept it. Yes. I know TikTok, I don't mean it, bro. Jayden.
Keep your mouth locked right there, so.
Yeah.
Alright.
Look at them a special moment and left me out. Why TikTok me not like you don't push me out that picture every time, you know, man. Kevin, you have to stop trying to push me that picture, na Kevin. Kevin, me not doing nothing, na Kevin.
Angel, alright. Are you on my face?
You can say it, Annie. Come on, Annie, you can do it.
Alright, so Jabass, you know you're my son. And I look spoil one up this so. But when him say is him just want a little private moment here and afterwards no him
Annie, baby, listen to me.
Alright, me I go in a private moment, but me I want something to tell you, Annie.
Wait, before you tell her that. Wait. Annie. Alright, tell her Jabass.
Annie.
Yeah.
Before me I go hold me corner, darling. But in the meanwhile, ask him who name Whitey and Tai. If he can't tell you, me gone. Don't take it for true. You know me love you.
Annie, don't listen to him. I don't like him, you know. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. Watch you now. Annie, you look nice. Me like that dress there. Me like you see it.
Thank you, Jay. Fuck off.
Annie, wait.
Literally fuck off.
Alright, people, let me know what you think, you know what I mean? Because them two ya say that a Jabass and the Lion Man, them say this year Affy mash up. Affy mash up. You see me, them Vow say this Affy mash up. So let me know what you think.
You bum buckle at you. Cho.
A good girl. Yeah. A good girl.
How are the blood? How are this woman going like she young? Oh, you're not a young woman, you know. Eat the cake.
And tell me if you like
You know, see, you like. Eat the blood clot cake.
So you like Christian eat a papa?
Eat the cake.
Yeah, police.
When you want with a cake, could it?
Yuck! No, that same mouth that bite up our bottom. I see a mouth just bite your bottom. So how is that? I ring that. What you want to go him now? No?
That's the reason why.
Hold
on. Oh my god, okay. Hold on.
Make we see you ring.
Biggest stuff is.
Watch a dirty big stinking pussy hole ya. You come with a plan in a batty boy.
But she come eat the cake.
You see car.
Oh, no, we're just waiting up one stuff.
Jesus Christ, you know, say jealous, me jealous.
Oh my god, wait.
Come on.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. That's
okay. Oh my God. Babe, no. You don't even ask me. Why you ask me? This is like... Yes. Love you. Love you, baby. Oh my God.
Yes, open it.
We don't know why you buy 2-piece. Oh, you go. I don't know. Wait, you afraid to ask me question, babe? You afraid?
Afraid.
Yeah, we know you're asking, we know you stay. But babe, this is the funny. It's nice to want me to really love it. Thank you.
I sent them right. No, chat like I don't have to my loan.
Thank you.
So, guys, it's now official.
Bro, we don't know what to say.
How are the blood?
I don't know what to say. Like, yes. Fuck on him. No, we can't run.
Police want go fuck. Police want pussy now. Police want pussy now.
Guys. Oh my God. Babe, you're not easy doing it. You don't even want to say the proper words. Like, you just want to do the thing. But,
What? So hold on, man just come. Whoa. So man can't just come. Oh, tell Rose that she not get none of my hype. Tell Rose that. Tell Rose that she not get none of my hype.
If I'm ready for blast here, Jayden. See them at Jayden.
Why you blast them now?
Yeah, no, Jayden. Wait, no, Jayden. I want him put on the ring first.
Oh.
I'm more make Annie come like go take you off. And blood clot fling away.
That marriage can't go good for once. Me and Jabass alive. That can't go good. It never go.
And the boy know why we in there. Right, wait, me make Annie eat her belly full first.
I want the blood. Whoa. Yeah, make sure Annie, we don't know how Annie takes woman to eat the food, you know. More Annie or a plastic glass that.
You look knock off on them. When you lick you can't hear clean. I be apply.
So police could put
you can't hear clean. Be apply. Plastic tablet plastic.
Annie, make Annie know so she can't use the plastic fart there. Let me tell her. Tell Annie say she can't use the plastic.
So people, Jabass, no, I go show the lion man the receipt them and something. So you saw when him did ask Annie say him tell Annie say ask what name there, the names them, a plant a seed in a Annie head, you know. Which way him a go come back around, you know, with all of them receipt where him a show the lion man and mash up everything. Boy, my people, with friends like these.
Plastic fart there and cut in the chicken. Tell her. Try to no go tell her. It better It better them did go and look a cook shop.
Yo, never see nobody food, bad man. But this, yo, no sir. No to Bumbuckler. I'm sorry, say Anna over here.
Annie, I'm tell the first thing first. I'm tell the first thing first. First thing first. First thing first. I know so that boy to come for something. First thing
yeah, Mika number.
Huh?
Yeah, Mika number. Remember, I'm not a friend, man. Text me for the next number.
Okay.
I'm gonna call Mika.
So I mean, alright, Jabass.
Next number, four number.
Text me. If 4 or 5.
Hold on, so me say yo, yeah.
Yeah, let me see it.
Send me Mika number.
Mika. Alright.
Mash you up. Oh.
But I go look. Nobody go look at it.
Hey, bueno. I'm bueno. You want 8225?
Call her.
Yeah, so me don't do.
Me Jesus! No. Fuck! Them a go call her for her phone now, you know? Me know how me can stop that wedding there. My police now.
Say, once me get she, me a stop it. You know, police number, disturb it.
Yeah, that me a go do.
Something wrong with it. Something wrong, man. Something wrong with it. Something wrong with the number you give me, man. Wrong number you give me, man.
Wrong number? Hold on.
Yeah.
Me call her. You know she go answer, you know.
Police black me not care.
Yes, God.
Mailbox of the number.
Brother, I batch you dead, man. I tell you.
It look like that's all like black.
But he never have my number for black me, bro, in the first place. So
Oh, yeah, true.
Hold on, somebody send me somebody. Jayden, my car back, up in nice. Hang up that. Mika.
Hello?
Mika a Jabass.
Yeah?
You know see dirty TikTok police a try to trick Annie again. You know see my boy my engagement.
No.
You know see what going?
No, I don't know Jabass. I don't hear them.
Listen to me, Mika, you hear me?
Yeah.
Go up on TikTok police live, go look at you see. Plastic fork, cheap ring, everything a cheap out your mother. Listen, when you call your mother like a something happen, and when your mother answer your phone, tell your mother say if you ask. Listen, eh? But you said I didn't hear them.
Hold on. Make she call her mother and tell her so she don't want serious problem now. She come get her now.
Me don't make you call him mother and ask him mother say. If you ask TikTok police who name, two name, and when you ask them know them two name, they mash up.
What we can do? We can give live. Watch you know? We can give live them number, make them ring them down so it put off.
Yeah, give them for TikTok police one.
Alright, you give it up. I'll send the number. What you say? We are doing it.
Next batch you did. Bumbuckler. Just tell them Jayden. Fucking phone I because as the charge did. No, this.
Liar fuck.
More mash it up, man, but let me call Annie. Let me try call Annie.
Oh, they know the live. Wow, go on.
This phone just run up and down, so you screen cracking a man, chop. How's your number them I use? I know 914 number.
Don't have them decline now. Decline.
What?
Oh, why does it say that?
I didn't know what this will.
No, I know what this is. Batty boy police.
Suck your more police.
Batty man police. Suck out police. Nastiness police. Sharp looking boy. Shit in a bag. Batty boy. Go near more to mama police.